Hello guys, my name is Viren and he is my friend Prince. So today we are going to play pair talk that we will show you that how can you talk with strangers if you are going anywhere and you don't know about the person, then how can you talk with them. So let's start. So hello Prince.
Hi Viren.
Hello, how are you all?
I'm good. I'm
Okay.
good. I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
So I am also good. So what are you doing nowadays?
Basically, now I'm doing job in Jara company as a full timer. What about you?
So I am also doing something work on YouTube because I wanted to be a YouTuber, and so that's why I am working on it.
That's quite interesting. What do you do in YouTube?
I just making videos on about the games.
Okay, related games?
Any type of games which are in the trending.
Must be PUBG, I guess.
Yeah, it can be a BGMI.
Oh yeah, it's upgraded. I'm really sorry for this. Yeah, I usually play, but I'm not getting that much time because I had mentioned that I'm doing job and I have to take class as well for improving my communication skills. So that's why I'm not getting that much time. But definitely, if I'll get some time, so we'll play with you. Will you play with me?
Yes, sure, I will play.
Thank you so
So,
much.
okay, Prince, just tell me about your family.
Yeah, so there are five members in my family: my father, my mom, my elder sister, me, and my younger brother. So in five, four are dependent, self-dependent. My father, who is working as a parking supervisor, I'm working as a SA in Jara. My younger brother has own business, and my elder sister, she is a English teacher in private school. So everything is going smooth in my family. I hope
That's
in your
nice.
family too. So may I know about your family?
Yeah, we are also five in my family.
Yeah.
Like my mother, my father, and I have two siblings.
Yeah.
And if I talk about my father, so my father is a private employee. He does work about the like a PSO, a personal security officer.
Okay.
And if I talk about my sister and brother, so they both are preparing for the government exam. And my mother is homemaker. And you know about me that I am doing a graduation from Rajasthan University, and now I am just learning here English.
Okay, so you are basically from Rajasthan.
Yeah, basically I'm from Rajasthan.
Okay, so may I know something interesting about Rajasthan because I had only heard about deserts and all.
Okay, there is no need to tell something interesting about
Yeah.
Rajasthan. If you will search on Google, then you will see lots of things. There is not any type of specific things which you can see if you are going in Rajasthan. If you will go, then you will know the beauty of the Rajasthan, that how much beautiful things Rajasthan has, and you can't complete it within 3 or 4 days. You will have to take time more for wandering Rajasthan. Because
Yeah,
it is a very-
definitely. It's not easy to compare in just 3 or 4 days.
Yeah, because it's a very big place, very big state. So if you will go in any type of district, then you will go find a specific place over there for wandering.
So what do you think? Can we compare Rajasthan city as compared to Delhi?
Sometimes we can compare if we will see the historical places.
Yeah.
That there are also lots of historical places available because there are many type of forts. That's why we call this Rajasthan.
Yeah.
And if we talk about Delhi, then we will see lots of things are also available in Delhi. Yeah, but in the development we can't compare because in Delhi there are lots of jobs available. If we compare to the private jobs, like in the private sector. So if we will go Rajasthan, then there is lack of the something. Rajasthan is something lacking in the private sector, but in Delhi we have lots of private sector.
Yeah, that's why in that kind of city they are more focusing on government exam. Yeah, in Delhi, yeah, I'm totally agree with you because in Delhi I had also seen like there's not
They're not
there's
showing
lots
interest
of
in
yes,
government jobs.
yes, perfect. So same with me. Basically, I'm from Jharkhand. So I was when I was in my hometown. So I was looking for a job, but in actually same thing. I was not getting that much because only government preparation was there. So that then I decided to move Delhi, and after coming in Delhi, I got my job, private job. So
It was all about you. So I just listened that you are from Jharkhand, and
Yeah.
I don't know about anything about Jharkhand. So just tell me about.
Yeah, so, if I to be honest, I even don't know because I was born in Delhi and since my birth, I was since my pass out of standard 10th, I was in Delhi. I went of my hometown just because for doing my graduation. After completing my graduation, I came back to Delhi again. In just 3 years, I had went only Ranchi. That's it.
Okay, so
Apart
what
from
can we
Ranchi,
say that these are the special things in Jharkhand?
in Jharkhand, I had mentioned already. I have not observed that much thing because I was working. I was just pursuing my graduation there only. After completing my graduation, I have come here again.
Okay, so what do you think about MS Dhoni?
MS Dhoni. I have seen his home. I have seen his
Okay, you
home.
have seen.
Yeah, his home is near stadium. JSCA. I am not remembering that much name because it's quite difficult to pronounce. So I have seen in Ranchi his home.
Okay, yeah, I also have seen in movie that his home is nearby stadium.
Yeah, MS Dhoni, perfect. Yeah, that's a reality.
So
It's
it is reality.
yeah, it's reality. His home is just behind that stadium.
Okay, so just tell me about your job. That what kind of work you do?
So basically, I'm a SC, sales assistant. So now, as a SC, I have to provide customer some clothes related their desire. Like suppose if someone is coming for getting a party collection, so I have to suggest them as a party collection, like which kind of collections can comes under party. So which kind of so that we don't make them we have to totally make them
In which
understand
company
we
you
are
do,
working
you
with them.
do work?
I'm working in Jara.
Jara.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a nice company. So
Yeah.
who suggests you to work in Jara?
One of my school friend, because when I came back to Delhi, I was preparing for government exam because in my hometown I was preparing too. So when I came back to Delhi, so I wanted to work on my communication. So this was the biggest problem from my side because so I don't think I should tell you, but I'm saying you, I had rejected from the Air Force because in that interview I had cleared my all exam, fitness level, medical, everything. But in interview I got rejected by Air Force because my communication was not that much strong. So then I started working on my communication on myself so that I can utilize myself more. So
Okay, so please, don't you think that it's a very good thing that we have that type of friend who can suggest us anytime in
yeah,
any type of thing about the
definitely
future?
we should keep some kinds of that kind of friends who will at least show you some path so that you can improve yourself. Because if my friend were not there, definitely I would have somewhere else. So he suggested me to work as a part timer so that of course as a younger guy you cannot depend on your father all time. You have to earn something. So he suggested me to work as a part timer. So he referred me in Jara. So after working in Jara, after expanding my time in Jara, I started growing myself as well. So my communication will getting more stronger from there also. So this is about my job. So may I know about you?
Yeah,
Like
you
what's
can
your
know.
desire? What are you doing right now?
I have a special desire for being a YouTuber. I just want to increase anything which I have in my life. Like, I just want to upgrade that thing while after being a YouTuber.
Okay.
Because I just had only one goal on that time when I just started it. So I want to complete it, and I don't know whatever I will have to face and whatever problems, but I will complete. And apart from it, I will also do job because sometimes it is very necessary thing for us, for our family, for our society. If
Yeah.
someone
Agree.
if I will not get any type of success in this field, so I have a job, then I can do work. on
No,
it.
this would be the second priority, of course, for sure. So I'm really impressed that some of my friend who's working on YouTube, and I'm really hoping that you will get success. So that I'll probably say there's one my friend Viren who's working on YouTube and is growing himself.
Actually, we should have only like always two things. Like we should have two ways. Only we can go on the one way. If we are not getting success, then we have a second chance for going in a second way.
Yeah, definitely. One of my friend, he was senior, so he suggested me always please keep plan B so that if you fail in plan A, so that you'll totally focus on your plan B. So Jara is of course it's my plan A, and my plan B is something else. So I cannot expose here. So this is in my private. So that's why I'm working on my skills. I had already mentioned. So have you ever decided like should I keep plan B?
Yeah, I have decided. As I told you that I just want to do job. So it is my second plan.
So are you looking right now, or have you looked somewhere else?
Yeah, I have looked. I have I got it.
Okay, you got it. May I know?
Yeah, you can know from Monday I will join it, and
This Monday.
yes, from this Monday.
So where are you going to join?
I am going to join. Like first of all, I will have to give my introduction, you can say, because
Okay.
it is not about the interview.
Okay, okay.
If they will tell they will say about the interview, then I will give. Otherwise, I will not give because I have given already.
Okay, you have. Okay, that's quite interesting. You are working on YouTube. Also, you are now you are going to do job.
Yeah. Okay, so did you think about the any type of thing that about the famous and that I also want to be famous? Did you think about it?
No, I have thought so many times. To be honest, I'm not that kind of person who shy. Usually, I make videos. I started once. I thought to create videos when pandemic was there, Corona was there. So everyone was quarantined, and my father went my hometown just because of my mom. There was some personal problem. So I was alone in my room. So my company didn't permission me gave permission me to go hometown because they wanted me to secure. So I was alone in my home. So what I want, I thought let's do something creative. So I started making YouTube video. This is personal me. Most of my family members doesn't know about this.
It can be also a part of the like our second earning. We also can
Yeah,
earn from
but
there.
yeah, definitely. Basically, I like to, as a plan B, I always try to, do business because while working in Jara, I had opened my own business. So, which, I had mentioned that my younger brother is working on that business. So, I hope, nice to talk with you, Viren.
Okay,
I hope
Prince. So thank you
everything,
so much and nice to talk with you.
yeah, thank you.